when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
I like my bike.
You guys have really extra fast bicycles.
You know it. So Bjorn, want to race to that faraway oak and back? I'm always ready for a race. All right, looks like my bike's faster.
Hey, watch out, Bucky!
Bucky! Yeah, no! This isn't as comfortable as it looks. Bucky, are you all right? Never better. I'm completely fine.
But your bicycle doesn't seem fine at all. What's left of it?
Not a problem. I can fix it up better than it was, too. Time to build a bike that I'll really extra like. Time to build a ride full of polish, power, and pride. Time to build a machine like the world has never seen. Let me show you what I mean. Wow, I am ridiculously awesome. Ta-da! Ready to ride. Meet the super powertronic souped-up mega bike. I call it Bikeulys.
So cool!
Dude, wow! Let's ride out to Daredevil Hills. The ramps there are awesome.
Sounds way amazing! What are we waiting for?
Hold on! Don't you see those clouds? It looks like rain, which would mean puddles, which means mud. Bikeulys might get dirty, guys. Let's do this another time. Bucky, it's not going to rain.
So I guess it'll just be me and Bjorn. We'll tell you how it is when we get back.
What just happened? They ditched me? Wait up! I'm coming! Bucky, are you really going to carry your bike all the way there? Sure am. Then it won't get dirty or scratched or anything. This is so cool! Wowie zowie!
All right, I'm going first, fellas. This is absolutely amazing!
I'm tired. Whoa, look at that. So, those are some serious bike ramps. Oh, I wish that I could ride on them. So, well, I guess if you can't ride your bike, you could ride on mine if you felt like it, maybe. It's not really in the greatest shape, Bjorn, your bike. But I reckon it will do. Charge! The speed, the jumps, the tricks, the thrills. I'm tearing up Daredevil Hills. It's crazy high, it's super fast. Dude, I'm having such a blast. Yeah! Good times. Thank you, Bjorn. Oh, no. Yeah, your bike sure isn't as strongly built as Bikeulys. Oh, I'm so bummed. If you like, I could repair your bike for you. Till then, I guess, you could use my awesome bike for a while. Huh? Bikeulys? Are you sure you don't mind? Mind? Anything for my good friend. What do you think I built it for? It's for more than just looking at. Gosh, Bucky, thanks! Woohoo! This is the greatest! Bikeulys rules!
Bucky, I think you have the best bike ever.
Bucky! I just can't thank you enough. Your Bikeulys, it's a real super bike. Well, thanks, Bjorn. I just finished repairing your bike. Here it is, the Bikeosaurus Rex. Dude, it's great. Thanks a trillion, Bucky. I can't believe this is mine.
All right. Are you guys ready to ride home?
I bet that I beat you to the oak tree. Well, actually, I don't want Bikosaurus Rex to get all dirty and gross. I mean it though, don't get dirt on my bike. Bears on ice. Zamboni bear, making sure the ice is there.
We've got the bestest ice rink ever! So, what are we gonna play today?
Well, what do you think? Hockey! Hockey time!
Hey, it's great to skate, 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 skate.
Brandy,
On the
what
ice,
are you doing?
ice. It's nice, nice.
We're playing
nice,
hockey,
nice.
right?
I think figure skating might be really nice for a change.
That's a bad idea, Franny. Figure skating's totally boring.
Sorry, but hockey's a little bit rough for me, and I don't feel like playing it today.
But that wouldn't work. We need 2 players on each team. All right, fine. Before we play hockey, we'll do your figure skating thing. But hockey after, all right?
Great! You've got yourself a deal.
Fantastic. We're all gonna figure skate. The things we do for hockey, bro.
Give it up for ice skating legends Franny and Chicky! And now, here it comes, the double, triple, quad, extra, mega complicated, super duper loop! Loopy, loopy, loop! There it is! We're waiting to hear from the judges!
Franny, hey! Where did you put the other scoring signs? We haven't got anything but 10s.
Well, obviously you don't need anything else. And first place goes to Franny! You may now award me my wonderful prize.
Franny, this game is absolutely ridiculous. But I think Bjorn and I can make it better.
Really? So can you add, like, music and lights and stuff like that? And a costume with 7 billion sequins?
Heck yeah, wait here! Bears on ice! Franny, look! We came up with everything for your ice skating performance. Just listen up. So here's what you need. Lights on poles and fancy bleachers, all the big-time pro skate features. It'll be something to behold, our Franny skating for the gold! Chicky, what do you think? Yeah! Welcome to the Franny Dome! All right, let's slice some ice. Work those blades, mammals. That looked graceful, right? Bucky, just watch and learn. Very nice, thanks a lot. Wow, guys, that's actually pretty good.
Yeah!
Nice moves. It looks like you're ready. Nails on ice. Wormsicles, seed burgers. Ladies and gentlebirds, are you ready to see some world-class figure skating? Of course you are. Hit it. A spotlight, a bear, a fox. It's magic time.
Oh, it's great, great, great to skate, skate, skate on the ice, ice, ice. So nice, nice, nice! It's a sequin paradise, dice, dice. We twirl and glide, and it's quite a ride. We jump and spin with a giant grin, 'cause we got an extra, super special, big, important, fancy, awesome, wonderful, impressive, really shiny and magnificent medal to win!
Ladies and gentlebirds, Franny and Bucky! And now, let's see what our score is. Perfect 10s across the board! A ridiculously great score! Franny and Bucky t-shirts and bobbleheads available at the merch table by the exit.
I just can't thank you enough, guys. That was the best time I ever had on ice. All right, ready for hockey?
You mean play hockey now?
Whose team am I on, guys?
The thing is, I was hoping we could work on our double lift. Bucky's right. That big triple spin jump was a little bit off, you know. You really should work on it. It's almost there.
But what about hockey?
How about this? After we work on our figure skating routine a little, then we can have a hockey game.
All right, fine.
Welcome to the Franny Dome! Dome,
excellence makes its home! Home, home. Let's slice some ice!
Because we got an extra super special, big, important, fancy, awesome, wonderful, impressive, really shiny, and magnificent medal to win!
A big catch.
Bucky, are they biting yet?
You can see they're not. Look at the rod.
What do I know? This is my first time. Are you getting bites, Bjorn? Hey, your thingy's sinking.
I've got a bite.
Yes!
Hey, you seem a little bit uptight there, Bjorn. Fisher bears have to be cool and calm. Like me. It's a bite. A bite. Come on, guys. Help me pull it. Hurry. It's enormous, guys. I think it's a whale.
That's not a fish.
Yeah, those will fry up nice. But yesterday, I caught a fish that was this big. It was a whopper.
There aren't fish that big around here. There are only little ones, Bucky.
It's so big. Did you see that? Hey, Bjorn, come on! I big fat mega super wish that I will catch that giant fish! A bite? Oh, wow. I'm fine. I've got a huge bite. He's so very strong. He's some kind of super fish.
Know what, guys? I think the fish just wants us to play with him.
No way! I mean, it's only a fish.
All right. I know how. We're gonna catch him. This is the ancient northern way of fishing. We sit down next to the water, then we put our paws onto our noses. Yes. Good.
Bjorn, why are our paws on our noses?
We're covering them so we blend in with all the white snow.
Bjorn, what snow? It's summer!
Shh! There he is!
Chicky, no!
I caught him, guys!
That fish thinks you're real funny.
We got that, Franny, thanks. This just got real. Bjorn, listen up. To catch the fish, we need to do everything that the fish does. We need to become fish ourselves. Cool, Franny, right? Do we look like fish?
Nope.
Yeah, but we will once we get in the water. All right, let's get wet.
Bucky, this dumb suit makes it kind of hard to swim.
It's not a suit. We have to believe that we're actually fish.
I'm a fish. I'm a fish. I'm a...
Listen here, fish. I will not be mocked in this manner. Do you hear me?
So, here's a thought. We go fishing underwater.
Nah, we should build a high-tech fishing rod.
No, we should fish underwater.
No, high-tech fishing rod. Last one to catch the fish is a huge, moldy, rotten egg.
But fellas, I really think the fish just wants to play with us.
Take the battle to the foe.
Screw and weld, just like so.
Mask, snorkel, dart gun, shoes.
Big fat genius brain to use. My high-tech rod is looking fine.
That laughing fish will soon be mine. Don't be amused, fish.
Just beware.
Here come the mighty Bjorn and
Bucky Bear. Let's go. Time to get caught. Bjorn, is that you? It's Bucky. I honestly didn't know it was you.
Your rod thinks we're fish. Can you get us out of this crazy thing?
Of course I can. That lever there, way over there, will do it. Yeah, we're not going anywhere.
Hi there, boys. You look very, very silly.
Oh, good, Franny. Hey, Franny, do you think you can get us down from here?
Well, sure, but how?
Well, good. The fish has come back.
So, I guess you came back to have a good laugh, right? Whoa!
Gosh, Fishy, thanks for that.
What was that? I I thought the fish just wanted to make fun of us.
That wasn't it. Like I told you, he just wanted to play with us.
I big fat mega super wish to play with my new friend the fish.